Not sure how to use your Fujitsu AC Remote? Model number AR-RAJ1E. In this video, we'll explain what each button does. Welcome to Flicky Facts. The on-off button powers your Fujitsu AC. Press it once to turn on the AC using the last saved mode and temperature. Press it again to turn it off, stopping all functions immediately. Need more breeze? Tap the fan button to control how strong the airflow feels. Choose from low, medium, high, or auto, and enjoy the perfect breeze your way. Press the mode button to cycle through different modes depending on your need. Cool mode, dry mode, fan mode, heat mode, auto mode. Cool mode cools the room to your desired temperature. Perfect for hot days when you need quick relief. Dry mode reduces humidity without overcooling. Great during monsoon or sticky weather. Fan mode blows air without cooling. Ideal for ventilation or mild days. Heat mode. It warms up the room by blowing hot air, perfect for chilly winter days. Auto mode. The AC automatically selects the best mode, cooling, fan, or heating, based on room temperature. Press the upper set button to confirm and save the timer settings after selecting the on-off timer. Press the lower set button to confirm the clock adjustment or to finalize any other function settings. The up and down buttons let you control how cool or warm your room feels. Press up arrow to raise the temperature or down arrow to lower it, 1 degree at a time. Air direction controls let you guide the airflow exactly where you want it. Use the vertical swing button to move the louvers up and down, and the horizontal swing button to adjust them left and right. Pressing the powerful button activates a high-power mode that quickly boosts cooling or heating to reach the set temperature faster, then automatically returns to normal operation to conserve energy. Sleep mode is designed for a restful night. When activated, it slowly adjusts the temperature to keep you comfortable while saving energy. No chills, no wake-ups, just smarter cooling while you sleep. The timer button allows you to set your AC to turn on or off automatically at a specified time. Change the time using the temperature up or down buttons, and the unit will follow the schedule for comfort and energy efficiency. Use the minus and plus buttons to adjust the time for the on-off program timer. It allows you to set the timer in hour and minute increments for precise scheduling. Press the clock button to set the current time on your Daikin AC remote. Setting the correct time ensures your scheduled operations run precisely when needed. The test run button is for maintenance checks, running a short cycle to confirm the AC's cooling, heating, and airflow functions. It is not intended for regular daily use. If your LG AC remote isn't working properly, the reset button can restore it to factory settings. Just press the reset pinhole, usually with a pin or paperclip, and the remote will reboot, clearing any errors or glitches. Press and hold the temperature down arrow button and the mode button together for about 3 to 5 seconds. The temperature display will switch between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. Now you know what every button on your Fujitsu AC remote does. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.